give my lord. Oh shit. What's up, YouTube, man? It's your boy, man, Exceptionn, and I'm back with another video, man. So as y'all can tell from the title, man, yes, man, I bought me a 2021 Scat pack, you hear me? Shout out to God, man. I just want to thank God for everything, you know what I'm saying? Because without him, none of this would be possible, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm just happy, you know what I'm saying? We got the sunroof now, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all see the car. We in the fishbowl right now, you know what I'm saying? No tent, but I'm about to go get that done right now, you know what I'm saying? If you are new to the channel, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. You dig, get me? Hey, when y'all see the car, I'm gonna need y'all to, I need name suggestions, you know what I'm saying? My Camaro was named Dior. Y'all ain't really see the Camaro like that, but that was Dior. So I need some tough ass name for this car. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all pick my name. So y'all can't set me up with this one, you know what I'm saying? We need to be where we was at with the last name. That shit was fire. I need another fire ass name. Hey. I'm in eco mode. I'm in eco. That's tough, you hear me? But nah, though, man, if you're new to the channel, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I do need a name for this car. So, you know what I'm saying? Comment down, name down below. Share this video. Cause it's about to be lit, man. Look, I'm gonna top back in with y'all in a little bit when I get to the tent shop, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all see her a little bit, you know what I'm saying? Before the tents, after the tents, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna get into more shit. Probably what I'm gonna do to the car. All of that there in the bag of chips, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Checking out. What's good, Mo? We just got to the motherfucking tent shop. Yes, my man Leno and shit.
What's good? Take the mask off now because you know we ain't in the building no more.
Well, yeah, we niggas about to walk in the building without the mask on and shit.
Man, I forgot all about it. Thought I was out Cali somewhere.
So look, I'm letting my subs. I'm letting my subs pick the name for my car. But they ain't seen it yet.
They ain't seen her yet.
Yeah, so they don't even know what she look like to give her a name. So I'm gonna give my oh shit. Oh shit. Oh,
don't hurt him now.
Oh. I really want y'all to see after the tent, but I'm gonna let y'all see before the tent. Alright, Mo, so look, we got us a 2021 Scat. You know what I'm saying? You see it. What did Brody say? They call it a Scat pack because it make everybody scatter like roaches. You hear me? Mopar, baby.
Mopar, baby.
You hear me? These 245s, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get some 305s on the round. If y'all know that nigga Avery B, tell that nigga Avery he can race me, you hear me? He got that slow ass Daytona. He can come see what's up with a real nigga. You know what I'm saying? Hey, Avery B, nigga. You know what I'm saying? I know you just copped the Daytona, nigga. You get, yeah, what's up? Nigga, I drive down motherfucking Atlanta, nigga, just to race you, nigga. Fuck. And we can do it for the two. You know how shit go. It's about to be 5% on this, though. You don't even worry about it. Niggas ain't even gonna see me. Yeah. But I'm gonna tap back in with y'all when I come pick her up. You gonna see how this tent's looking, you know what I'm saying? Shit gonna be looking sweet, because if it don't, it's gonna be over for this building, man. Yeah. All right, man, so they finished the tent, man. You know what I'm saying? 5% on the tents. Nigga can't see. No car. You did a good ass job, I ain't gonna lie. You did a good job. I'll let y'all hear what you did. For the motherfucking one time, you know what I'm saying? Here is not tough, bro. This is the worst part about this shit. This shit is not tough. Niggas know I'm broke. Nigga like me is broke, fam. I'm fucking broke. I can't keep. Nah, I'm saying? This is not tough. Fucking 93, this is loud as fuck. What y'all gonna name my car, man? Talk shit, man. Talk shit. You know what I'm saying? I told y'all I'm gonna be back. I'm back in it. I'm at the car wash. Y'all can't, I don't know if y'all can see. I don't feel like turning the camera and all that crazy shit. But y'all gonna see, you know what I'm saying? You know I got y'all point of view, you know what I'm saying? Real street nigga. I'm with my brother. What's good? I made you lift your feet up like they can see your feet.
It's just
Yeah. It's a.
Boy, fuck you.
Oh, my bitch getting wet. Oh shit! I'm about to put this in 3D. Gonna scan niggas. Yeah, y'all gonna think y'all get wet. Damn, it's a vibe. Got a vibe. She want a vibe. Yeah.
I can't get no car.
You get out to the car wash and getting what, bro? What are you doing at the car wash? You gonna be a thigh, bro? You know this shit lasts for like not even like 3 minutes.
Hey, man. Jackrabbit shit.
Jackrabbit! Absolutely not. Did it break? Did we break it? I think we broke it. We're not moving.
I dare you get out.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, hell no. Nigga said, I dare you to get out. Imagine. Imagine opening your door right now. Let me make sure you don't. Because you got like...
I would not do that.
You got like 7. So, niggas gotta make sure. It sound like they hurting something.
Right.
I know my bitch about to be so clean. You dead? You look like spaghetti. You hungry, bro? You that hungry? I know you hungry, but you that hungry? I ain't eat all day. Something sound like it hurt, bro. I don't like the way it sounded, bro.
Beat your car up.
Draco, make a beatbox.
Oh, nah, it sound like you're drilling in your shit.
That's the rims. It's for the rims. That's why. That makes sense though. I don't want to be a part of what they start. Hey, man, I need some gas, bro. You see my motherfucking... You need to go. Damn. This shit look wild. This that splat. That splat. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. Don't worry about it, sweetheart. It's a she.
What's her name?
I don't know yet. My son's picking her name.
She looking really pretty right now.
I need to get them slotted brakes. I mean rotors. My lord, though. Yeah, wash my car.
Definitely was way better than what the fuck you showed up with.
Girl, shut the fuck up. Damn, Daniel. Damn. Man, this bitch clean. Hell yeah. My sister shit dirty. Her shit dirty. Her boyfriend shit dirty. You know what I'm saying? My shit clean. Yes, sir. This is a Mopar house. You know the vibes. Cause I'm out Cali. This is California, Maryland. You know what I'm saying? Nah, I'm saying. Drill, man. Y'all seen the car. You know what I'm saying? Y'all done seen the car a little bit, a little something. So I ain't getting y'all too much. You know what I'm saying? Y'all need to pipe down. Y'all go see the car some more, man. If you did enjoy this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. You know the vibe. Without further ado, check it out.